Say Happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Thank you. How about Mommy?
Mother's Mommy.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day, Joe.
Happy Mother's Day.
Joy daw. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our
channel.
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
It is Sunday the 9th of May, and as you can see guys, nandito kami ngayon ni Baby Paris sa car park sa Charleston Shopping Center because we're having lunch with Ate Ana and her hubby. Supposedly, dapat sana sasama si Daddy Mike, but he's not feeling very well guys. Hinika ang ating Daddy Mike kaya hindi siya nakasama, so kami na lang dalawa. Okay, we don't like to eat. Ayan. So, come down na. Come down so we can go. Who are we going to see? Lula. Tita Ana. Ayan. Bibili pa kami ng bulaklak, guys, kasi hindi pa kami nakabili. Ayan. Anak, wait for mommy. Ayan ang pa-outfit ng ating baby girl today. Ayan. Nak, show mommy your outfit, be. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's go. Careful ha. Mahilig kasi si Ate Ana sa mga plants. Kaya plants na lang yung bibilhin ko para sa kanya. Ito oh. This or this. Ito na lang maliit. Yan. Nak, we'll give this to Tita Ana. Huh? Come, let's go pay. Tingnan niyo siya, nakabit-bit na oh. Nak, ikaw ang nag-Mother's Day na. Ikaw ang na-gift. Later, Baba. We'll just pay for that one now. Binilhan ko muna ng laruan para mag-behave. Okay. Stay here. Good girl. Show Mama what you got, babe. Stickers. Yes, pag nagpili na ba sa iyong dulaan, mahal kaayo. So, we are heading to the restaurant now, guys. May bit-bit ng laruan ng ating baby girl, oh. Show, Tita. Gusto na niyang i-open. Sabi ko mamaya na pag nandun na kami kasi it's nearly 11:30. Tapos, 11:30 yung usapan na nandun, guys. So, we're going to a Japanese restaurant ata. Yeah, we'll go get ice cream in the restaurant, okay? Go. Diyan kami pupunta, guys. Ayan, I don't know how to read that. Marai Izakaya. Sa baba, may Tesla. We'll just, pupunta kami dyan sa escalator. Ayan, sa ibabaw. Come on, anak. Come on, sweetie. You gotta hold Mama's hand because that's a very, very long escalator. Can you see the escalator? So long? Come on. Okay. Ayan, dito na kami sa labas. Oh, may sushi yata. Ang ating baby girl. Tawagan ko muna si Tiana. Ay, nandyan na pala sila. Hello! Say hi! Hi, Tita! Hello!
Is this for me?
Hi, hello! How are you? Good. Lucy, how are you?
Good. Pampabuelo.
How are you? Hi, sa aking vlog TV.
Oh my God, talaga may...
Beautiful, oh, hi! Asan man si darling?
Kinuha yung gift ninyo.
Did you see it, Paris? It's moving. The food is moving. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito, T.
Hindi.
Basta syalan kasi.
Alam mo bang meron ng ganito sa Waverly VIC? Sa amin. Pero hindi pa namin na-try. Dito namin ito-try.
Ah, okay.
Exciting, no? Pik-pik lang, kain ka na kain.
Yung pagkain lang. Kasi hindi ako makapag-take kasi may music.
Alright. Just one at a time, actually.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita.
Thank you. How about Mommy?
Mother's Mommy.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Joe.
Happy Mother's Day.
Joy daw. Anak, ice cream time.
Oh, I'm not supposed to.
What's that?
Squishy.
Yeah, squishy. Wow.
Baby girl, put it inside here. Okay, so it's perfect.
Yeah, put it here so it doesn't make mess. Yay! Yummy! What do you say to Tita? Time check tayo guys. It's now 2:30 ng hapon and kakaalis lang nila Ate Ana tsaka yung hubby niya. Andito kami ni Baby Paris. Say hi, Nak. Hi. Nag-chat time kami. Ayan, chat time. Ayan. And then ito yung mga pinamigay ni Ate Ana sa amin, mga regalo. Hindi ko pa nakita yung laman nito, guys. Maybe I will just do unboxing later. Hala, ang ganda nito. Ayan na nga eh. Sabi ko na nga eh. Ayan oh. Chanel. Iba talaga ito si Ate Ana mamigay, guys. Mga Chanel yung mga binigay niya. Thank you, Ate Ana. Mamaya ko na i-open yung iba, guys, kasi meron pa sa ilalim. Oh, bongga. Lipstick, sweetie. You like it? Yeah. So, medyo busy dito today, guys, kasi nga diba Mother's Day. Alam niya, natawa din ako kanina kasi pagkagising ni Daddy Mike, binigay niya sa akin yung card niya. Sabi niya, kasi alam niya pupunta ako dito eh. Pupunta na kami dito pero gihubak ng ating Daddy Mike ay hindi siya nakasama. Pero nga sabi niya na bilhin ko daw kung ano yung gusto. Asan na yung card ni Daddy Mike? Sabi niya, bili daw ako ng anong gusto ko. Basta wag lang daw Hermes. Wag lang daw Hermes kasi alam niya kung gaano kamahal yung Hermes, guys. And you know what, sabi niya, Gucci na lang daw siya. Sabi niya, Gucci daw kasi hindi daw masyadong mahal kumpara sa Hermes tsaka sa Louis Vuitton. O, iba din sa Daddy Mike, guys, no, bongga din. But sabi ko, wala naman akong kailangan talaga dito, guys. Hindi ko naman talaga kailangan ng bumili ng bagong whatever. Kaya, tumawag siya, sabi niya, make sure you buy something for yourself. But, it doesn't matter. Anak, babe. Oh, shoot up to mommy, babe. What is that? Na-inopen na ni Paris, guys.
It's my eyes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice lipstick na, I think.
My lips?
Yeah, your lips. Wow. Let's go home and we'll open the rest, okay? You've got your present in the bag. Why not? Why not? Come on, let's go home now. What's it, Daddy?
My help. We'll get in the car.
Okay, we'll open in the car, okay?
It's okay. Sit down.
Guys, it's now 5 o'clock ng hapon. Nandito na kami sa bahay, as you can see. Kanina pa kami nakauwi, pero si baby girl ay nakatulog sa sasakyan, kaya hinayaan ko muna. Anyways, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung binigay ni Ate Ana sa amin. Sabi niya, itong Chanel na to ay paper bag lang daw, kasi wala daw siyang sisindan. So, hindi tayo ma-expect. Anyways, pinakita na naman to namin sa inyo kanina, diba? Meron din mga Chanel na mga ano yung binigay niya. Mga, ano tawag ito? Para sa mukha ng mga Chanel. Ayan, inopen ni Paris kanina. Ayan, kita ba guys? Social talaga ito si Ate Ana, Ate Ana. What else is in here? Hindi ko pa kasi na-open lahat to, guys. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. Ay! Do you wanna show Tito your earrings? And then, may meron pa dito. Ayan, so ito yung isa. Yung mga lipstick.
Mommy, rings.
Binigyan niya ako nito. Ayan, Chanel.
Mommy, rings for me. Rings.
Oh, the rings. We didn't get the rings, remember? Because they're too
Small. They were so big.
Oh,
Mommy
how
was
sweet. Oh my God, tingnan niyo guys sa Chanel. So, hang on, careful because the camera matagap na sad. There's Jovey. On December 4th, 2018, Karl Lagerfeld chose the Temple of Dender at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York to present the Chanel Métiers d'Art. Stay safe, always love, Ate Ana. Hindi ko nabasahin lahat guys ha. Mga ano lang, mga about Chanel. Bongga, thank you, te. Ayan. Nakuha to niya sa, ano siguro guys, sa pumunta sila ng Paris. Nice! Oh, I love this one. Thank you talaga, te. And then, merong naka-ano dito. Ano kayang laman ito? Nak, do you wanna open it with mommy na? Let's see. What's inside this one? It smells so good. Oh my goodness.
I'm pushing.
It smells so goodness. You're pushing, anak? Yeah. Shush. Hala, si Ate Ana nag-abala pa talaga. But really appreciate it, te. Thank you. It smells so good, guys. Grabe. Perfume siguro to. Wala, hindi ko in-expect to ba? Kaya pala. Ganito yung amoy niya. Rose water and pink peppercorn hydrating. Sabon. Oh my God, smells so good. Nako. Soup. This one is candle. Yeah, this is so me.
Does it smell like a smell?
It smells so good, honey. Vanilla. Smells like vanilla, honey. We're gonna use it tonight. Yeah.
It's like ice cream.
Smells so good.
Is it like ice cream or strawberries?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yeah. Oh, meron pang pie. Para kay ano dito, kay Baby Paris. Ayan. Nako.
Wow.
Wow.
It's for me or this
It's for you.
For
Ayan,
me.
sabi ni ate, medyo malaki pa daw, pero Paris will get it. This is so cool. Want it on?
No.
Okay, we'll put it on later, okay?
We'll put it on later. We'll go style and drive.
Okay,
School.
go to school. Okay, we'll use it. You can go. Look. Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
Let me try it.
Okay, yeah. Wow.
It's that cool.
That's so cool. Do you like it?
And
Say thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tita, to bring this for me.
It was so cute. Buutan man ang baby. Oy, kabalo man mag-thank you, oy. And we have some more. What? Oh, have a look.
What's that?
It's your hat. It's a nice hat. Here.
A nice hat.
Ooh. Wow, have a look.
I did like fireman.
You look like a fireman.
Yeah.
What else? Here. So cute.
What's
Hello,
that?
guys.
A dress?
Dress. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang ganda. Hala, thank you.
Mama left it.
Saan pa na po? Oh, Giorgio Armani na. Thank you, Ate Ana, Kuya Alfie, and Cristel. Oh.
Toy.
What is that? Here. Look. Oh, this one.
Toy.
Your toy. Your toy is here. Give me your earrings, babe. I'll show the tita and tito. Ayan. So, yung binili ko is for Paris na mga hikaw. Ayan. Wala! Tagak na nak. Ayan, meron tayong mga, ayan, pearl. Kita ba guys? Ayan, merong pearl. Merong heart. Red heart. Meron tayong flower na may, ano, parang bato-bato. And then, we have strawberry na sobrang cute. Pero, nawa naman ang iyang kuan. Para Ruska. There, so cute, diba? Oh, ayan. Tapos yung suot na ngayon na ano, parang frozen na earring. Ayan. Snowflakes pala, snowflakes. Pero yun na nga guys, wala akong binili, diba? Sinabi ko sa inyo na binigay ni daddy sa akin yung card para nga daw bumili ako kung ano yung gusto ko. But nung nandun kami guys, wala naman talaga akong feel na gusto kong bilhin. Kasi, I don't know, I've been buying online and all that and I don't think I need anything from there really guys. Kaya, yun, wala akong binili para sa sarili ko. Yun na yung binili ko guys for Paris, yung earrings niya. Tapos, yeah, ano pa bang binili ko natin na? Wala na, yun lang. Pumunta lang kami dun for lunch, like Mother's Day lunch with Ate Ana. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 10:35 ng gabi. And tingnan nyo guys, ang aking mata ay namumugto kasi we watch a movie. And sobrang iyak ko guys. Ganyan talaga ako ka-emotional na tao. Like, madali akong umiyak. Especially yung mga movie na mga ganyan guys. Na nakaka-touch talaga ng heart. Sumakit talaga yung puso ko guys. Sobrang iyak ko talaga. Nagbako jud ko. Anak, what is that, anak?
A sheep.
A sheep.
I can hear the sheep inside.
What is that?
I can hear the sheep there.
Oh, there's the sheep there. Okay. What's the color of the sheep?
Red and
It's
white.
red and white. It's orange, man. It looks red because it's dark in here. Ayan. So I brushed my teeth already. Ayan. We're getting ready for bed.
My teeth too.
No, we have to brush your teeth too, sweetheart. Come here, babe. We'll say hi, Tita and Tito.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we'll open that one na yun. Let's see. Can you sing a song for Tita and Tito first? The Mommy.
Now,
What song would you like to sing then?
Mommy.
Yes.
Baby, I cry to my knee. I see game. Make my baby feel right.
Finish it.
Dear pet, sky is okay. Here's the way.
Do it properly, anak.
Oh, make good, we feel alright.
Yeah! Good job, sweetheart. Anyways, let's end the vlog here now, guys, huh? We will do a quick shout out. And, would you like to do a shout out with Mommy?
Now, when I want to open it.
Hang on, Mama will open it after, okay? Can you say shout out? Can you say shout out?
Shout out?
To Janice Kawaling.
Mommy.
You say Janice Kawaling?
Mommy.
Ambot ni mo, anak. Viuli S. Noverioli. Ifigenia Zarate. Joanne Awano. G.L. Serra. Josephine Tan.
Joey Tan.
Annie Vergara.
And Fagara.
Esmeralda.
Mavisinda.
Hilaska.
And Tizida.
Teza Moreno.
And Tindana.
Joanne Ambe.
Donna Eno.
Nak Joanne Ambe.
Johnny Emmy.
Loleta La Cuesta.
And Dula de Quisla.
Jocelyn Pason.
Jocelyn Pooh.
Pason?
Basin.
Emmy Garcia.
Mendocino.
Tess Arellano.
Mendocino.
Di, Papalina. Tess Arellano.
Tanina.
Paulina Kines.
Please, Kines.
Yet Balino.
Mari, come here, Auntie.
Yes, you're there. Come on, Yet Balino.
Tanino.
OFW si Ma'am.
Come
Feli Lamparo.
Paro.
Alma Meraes.
Miss
Belindy Jesus.
and Bellasis.
Sherry May Ongayo.
Sharing the moon.
Lenny Langit.
Lennon Lickett.
Melissa Ruiz.
Lucy Releases.
Elena Risoles.
Lily the series.
Simply Norge.
Celine March.
Jonah Reese.
Doing a reach.
And Jean Bagsik.
The message.
Yeah. Thank you, Tita and Tito, for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Bye-bye.